Hi, welcome back to our channel, and we are on Sublimation. And in today's video, we're gonna introduce you some of the newest magnetic products we got. And here we got the magnetic fridge magnets with PVC surface for sublimation. And you can see we got a couple different designs and shapes right here. Oval and two of the rectangle, square, heart, and of course the most popular circle shapes. All of this will be available for a single side sublimation, and as you can see, the magnetic will be on the back side. Soft magnetic material it will be, so you can twist it like easily and without worrying that it will get broken or anything. And of course, we also got this paper clip or bookmark, as you may see here. They are basically made of the same material. Front side and back side are the same, and plain white coating on the front side for sublimation. And they are foldable thin PVC, so it will be very durable for your daily using. And yeah, with this kind of different shapes and sizes for you to choose, you can print all the designs you have, print all the images you have, and of course we also accepted customized shape, size, and also printing. In the next session, we're gonna show you how to sublimate on these products. The recommended time and temperature will be 170 to 175 degrees Celsius. As long as not above 180, it will be fine. And the printing time will be around 50 to 60 seconds. Okay, now we got the whole design stick to the surface already, to the white side. And you don't have to take it apart because the magnet here is heat tolerated. So you can put it in the heat press machine with. And then we just need to put it from the top side. Remember the time and temperature of 170 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 seconds. Okay, now the printing is finished. Just a little bit of my step for this kind of soft material product. Probably better to give it a little press before it gets cooled down to make sure it won't bend over. Okay, now let's see how it comes out. So you can see the whole printing develops really clear on both sides, and the magnet back there haven't get invented at all. You can still stick very flexibly. And there's another one we have printed before. You can see the printing envelopes kind of great, and also you might have to notice to keep the image a little bit larger in case it will have the edges like this. Okay, so here is the one we talked about today, the magnetic product, the soft magnetic and PVC material. I think this is gonna be a hit in the next half of the year. So if you'll be interested in any of this product, please feel free to contact us, and we will send you more information about it.